Hi guys, I'm currently on my way to Mandawi Foam where I can meet my friends and we're about to start our vlog. See you then. Okay guys, look at this water. Is this normal like? But what if I told you that this creek could actually make you sick? This is where our topic starts, infectious pollutant.
Right? So at first, let us understand what is pollution. So when talk about pollution, it is the contamination of the environment by the harmful substances that can pose an effect to the human being or simply at any living organism. Basically, pollutants comes from different sources, such as waste source, from sewage or pipes, and it comes from non-point sources such as streets or farms. Most water pollution nowadays comes from human activities, especially improper waste disposal.
Now, infectious pollutants are disease-causing microorganisms that are present in water. This includes bacteria, viruses, and parasites. And they are considered one of the most dangerous water pollutants because they affect human health. Most of them come from fecal contamination, meaning it comes from waste of human and animals.
One of the most common example is E. coli. This bacterium normally lives in our intestine, but when it gets into water, it becomes dangerous. It usually comes from feces, such as sewage, septic tanks, or animal waste. Now imagine this. From household, it flows into the drainage. And this waste from drainage will flow into creeks, and from creeks to rivers, and eventually to the sea. Along the way, the water carries bacteria like E. coli.
This is where it becomes too dangerous because with this contaminated water reaches the ocean, marine organisms such as fish or shellfish, it's infected with bacteria. So when people gets infected, this infection can cause diarrhea, stomach pain, and other serious illnesses.
It directly affects human health through diseases.
Microorganisms consume oxygen in water, reducing the salt oxygen needed by fish.
This can harm the aquatic life in the ecosystem. That's why be aware of your water sources and food safety.
Practice proper waste disposal.
Treat wastewater before releasing it into the environment.
For me, we have to improve our sanitation system, like septic tanks. We might as well create a septic tanks that are well constructed and well engineered, designed for us to provide a good wastewater treatment.
Water is essential for life, but it can also carry invisible dangers of polluted. So next time you see water like this, remember, protecting water means protecting our health. Stay informed, stay safe, protect our water.